Here's a great deal on a 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.